Welcome back. So for today, we are going to apply the sequence and series in a financial problem. So let's take and do the example number one. A lot owner bought a piece of land for 500,000 pesos. The value of the land appreciates by 8% every year. So what will be the value of the land after 5 years? So let's try to do it. Okay, let's have first the step one. Step one. We need to identify the variables. So let A sub n will be the value of the land after n years. So our variable is A sub n. Now what about our step two? Step two. We need to identify what is being asked. So of course we want to find the value of the land after 5 years, which is A sub 5. Again, we need to find the value of the land after 5 years, which is A sub 5. Now let's move on. What about our next step is the given, of course. Step 3. Step 3, identify the given values. So what are the given? Let's have first the A sub 1 or the first term, which is the value of the land after 1 year. That is your first term. So let's compute for the first term or the value of the land for the first year. So how to do that? Let's multiply the 500,000 pesos to the rate, which is 8% every year. So let's put the 100 itself. That is a totality 1.08. So with that, the first term is 540,000 pesos. And the next next given is the rate, which is 8%. So if we put the 100%, that would be 1.08. And for the n, the 5 years or 5. Okay, next step is step 4. Step 4. Okay, let's identify the series or sequence to be used. Identify the series or sequence to be used. To be used. In this problem, as you can see, a lot was being bought for 500,000 pesos. The value of the land appreciates 8,000 every year. So it increases by 8% every year. So what is that? Is that a geometric or arithmetic? Okay, that is a geometric. Geometric sequence. Alright, why geometric sequence? So in this problem, the land value appreciate by 8% every year. So meaning each year the value is multiplied by the rate, which is 1.08. So with that in mind, a sequence is geometric because we keep on multiplying it by constant ratio, which is 1.08. That's why it is 1 point, that is geometric sequence. Okay, so what is the formula for geometric sequence that we could use is a sub 5, a1, or 5 minus 1. All right, now let's have step number 5. We need to show the solution. A sub 5, or the fifth term, is equal to, there you go, and our, let's say it's in peso sign, 540,000 is multiplied by the ratio. This is ratio, and the nth term. But for in this example, this is the value of the land end in 5 years. Lola? 1.08 raised to 4. So let's compute. We need a calculator. Five 540,000 times 1.08 raised to the power of 4 is we have 734,664. Let's round it up to the numerator 10. The answer is 734,664.04. All right. Now let's have the final answer. The step 6. Step number 6. The final answer. The value of the land after 5 years is 734,664.04. This is our final answer. Okay, see you again to our next lesson. Goodbye.